Good morning students, this is a computer class, and in the last class we had learned about conversion from binary to decimal number. Okay, just for your reminder, suppose we had binary number 10010. Okay, what we do is we start giving powers to the numbers in binary. Okay, starting with right hand side. Okay, starting with 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. We keep on adding power to the number 2 as we move towards the left hand side. We also talked about not taking the numbers with 0 into consideration, because anything into 0 is 0 only. Okay, so we only take numbers with 1 in consideration, such as 2 to the power 1 will be 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 4 will be 2 to the power 4 into 1 will be 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 means 2 4 times, which will be equal to 16, plus 2 is equal to 18. Thus 10010 with the base 2, which is binary number, is equal to 18 with the base 10. This is the decimal number. Okay, I had also asked you to learn this chart by yourself. Okay, now we move on to the next example. Okay, which is with the binary number with a decimal point in it. Okay, here the binary number is 1100.101. Okay, again we over here we first give power to the numbers which are to the left hand side of the decimal point. We start with 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Okay, now the numbers which are on the right hand side of the decimal point, we start with -1. Okay, 2 to the power -1, we cannot put 2 to the power -0. Okay, so we start with 2 to the power -1, 2 to the power -2 and 2 to the power -3. Okay, now again we'll only consider numbers with 1 under them. Okay, so 2 to the power 3 into 1 is 2 to the power 3, plus 2 to the power 2 into 1 is 2 to the power 2, plus 2 to the power -1 is into 1 is 2 to the power -1, plus 2 to the power -3 is into 1 is 2 to the power -3. Okay, now 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. We already know that from the chart. Okay, is 8, plus 2 to the power 2 is 4. Now what does 2 to the power -1 mean? When we convert it into fraction, it will be 1 upon 2, plus what is 2 to the power -3? It is 1 upon 8. 2 into 3 times 8, it is 8. And when you want to convert this negative point to the positive point, okay, when you want to remove the minus from this number, you will take the number to the denominator of a fraction. Okay, this is the rule in maths. So 2 to the 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, now 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. You can do that in a calculator. Do this calculation in a calculator. Okay, and 1 divided by 8 is 0.1 to 5. Okay, you can remember these numbers. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5, 1 divided by 8 is 0.125, because mostly the calculations that are given in your book is 3 numbers from the decimal points. Okay, so when we add them, first we will take the number with no decimal point. Okay, plus 0.5. Okay, 0.5 plus 0.125. Okay, now when you add these numbers, you will get 12. 5 plus 1 is 6 to 5. Okay, now thus the decimal number that we had converted is 1100.101 with the base 2 is equal to 12.625 with the base 10. Okay, now we'll take the example from your book, which is 1010.1011. Okay, this is the binary number and you have to convert it into a decimal number. There's a method, similar method given in your book, but we will solve it with the method that we are solving numbers till now. Example, what is the number? 10101.011. This is the number that is given in the book. Okay, so first we'll start with the number which is to the left hand side of the decimal point. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Okay, now the numbers to the right hand side from the decimal point will be 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2 and 2 to the power minus 3. Okay, now we'll start with the left hand side. 2 to the power 4 into 1 will be 2 to the power 4. We don't take numbers with 0 into consideration, plus 2 to the power 2 into 1 will be 2 to the power 2. Okay, now plus 2 to the power 0 into 1 is 2 to the power 0. Okay, point. Okay, or plus, we'll keep plus over here. 2 to the power minus 1 into 0 is 0. 2 to the power minus 2 into 1 will be 1 upon 2. If there was no negative point over here, 2 to the power 2 is 4. Okay, so we'll put 4 in the denominator, plus 2 to the power minus 3 into 1 will be 1 upon, how much is 2 to the power 3? 8. So we will put 1 upon 8 over here. Okay, so 2 to the power 4 is 16, plus 2 to the power 2 is 4, plus 2 to the power 0 is 1. Okay, plus 1 divided by 4 is 0.25 plus 1 divided by 8 is 0.125. We already know that from the above calculation. 1 divided by 8 is 0.125. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. Now a new number is here in this example. 1 divided by 4 is 0.25. So you can check this in the calculator. Okay, check these calculations in the calculator and remember them for solving this type of questions. Okay, now first we'll add the numbers that are in the with no decimal points. 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. Okay, now 0.25 and 0.125 are there with decimal point. We'll add them. When we add them, we'll get 21.2 plus 1 is 3, 5 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7 and 5. Thus 1001.011, which is a binary number with base 2, is equal to 21.375 with base 10. This is a decimal number. You can look in your book, the answers is same. Okay, so here there is a number, binary number. Okay, so you have to convert it in a decimal number. You will do this work in your copy and send it to me in the group. That's all for today. Thank you.